By the way, the car I wanted to show you that has a crazy wrap is this one, guys. Check it out. Wow. Yo, that is crazy. We got some beasts out here today, as you can see. This is actually a pretty nice one, guys. It's got like a really cool design to it, which is awesome. And it's got like a body kit, which is pretty... Oh. Damn, that's a loud one. That is a loud one. My ears are already partially deaf, guys, so I'm gonna keep walking, showing you the cars. And now, in last place, guys, in last place, look who we have over here. Finally!
Don't be so mean.
So check it out, what's going on right now is this event is actually for like a Forza game, that car game, and everybody's taking photos in front of this green screen, and the reason is they're actually gonna make a customized game. So they're gonna give us a game, I think so anyways, I'm not sure. They're gonna give us like the game with our car on it. So my sister's turn is next now. Check it out. I've never seen somebody take a picture of a car with a green screen, guys. So this is definitely a first. Frizz Pop is actually like a pro dancer. Oh, damn. He's got the moves.
Whoa, work it.
That's crazy. Oh. The green screen.
His moves were on fire.
Yeah, that's how good the moves were. It just came down.
Alright guys, so far it's been such a crazy event. Beautiful cars.
We see cars dancing,
it's
everything.
Amazing. We got talent.
So we just quickly came out of the safety driving briefing, guys. If you can see all the drivers coming out, basically telling us not to rev and, you know, stuff like that. I don't know how this is gonna be a quiet event, guys. They told us we need to keep it quiet. No. Yeah, on the roads I think it might calm down.
Check it out.
My ears are blowing up right now. We're putting earbuds into our ears. We need earbuds right now, that's how loud it is. We're putting tissues in our ear. So everything is kind of calmed down now, which is a good thing because I can speak to you guys. But there's so many cars out here. It's literally like Skittles. For now, we're heading out, guys. To be exact, there's over 40 Lamborghinis here today. And as you can see, they're just gonna be passing one by one by one. It is insane, guys. Here we are, the official drive starts now, guys. Woo! I'm sorry, we're cutting the queue. We're cutting the queue. Oh boy, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. No, we're cutting so bad. Guys, look in the rear view right now. That's crazy.
Check out the cool cars over there. Right behind us, we have a lineup.
This is my jam, guys. This is my jam. I'm in love with the Coco. I'm in love with the Coco. I'm in love with the Lambos. Hey! Here goes nothing, guys. Let's go.
Squad goes out here. Have you ever seen a squad of 40 Lamborghinis?
This is the biggest event, guys.
I told you, this was the biggest Lamborghini event I've ever seen in history. Take that.
Oh, that exhaust. Yo, look at this, guys. Damn, I feel like I'm in a game. What? Woo! Yo, that's crazy. location, guys, with the cars, as you can see.
It's a beautiful day and there's beautiful cars out here. Now that's what you call a lineup, guys.
Beat that, bruh. Beat that. Anyways, let's go inside, have some dinner, guys. That was an awesome little drive over here with some